So we're at the harbor, a few minutes down the road from where we're staying. This is a fishing industry. You can smell the industry. You can see the fishing boats over there, murals, which I'll try to get capture of. And now we are looking at the sea lions hanging out. They're so big, and they bark. There are lazy little flops for sure.
Oh my goodness, they are out. They can be a lot more active.
There we go.
You just slapped him in the face.
Yep, he did.
A few swimming around, cuddling, I guess.
He's like, okay guys, wake up. He's like,
It's
time to
morning.
get up. He's like, good morning guys, wake up.
Oh, they're not wearing a face covering.
They're like, good morning, wake up, and everyone's like, no. And those
Out there on that pile of rocks, they're covered with sea lions. And there's some large fishing vessels. Here comes one coming in under that bridge. There's another view of the harbor. Oh, sea lion just dived down. Big old bridge. Here I am. It's lovely. Big old fishing ships.
It is.
All the sea lions.